Shrutisha, okay, and we will continue chapter number 1, solid state. In last lecture we over topic of simple cubic lattice packing efficiency. Now we will continue second packing efficiency of BCC. Okay, second one is packing efficiency of or for BCC. Clear? BCC means what? Body center cubic closed pack. Okay, and friends, how to calculate packing efficiency? And first of all I will draw one figure. Okay, in all lattice means like BCC, FCC, SCP, simple cubic closed pack, etc. when present, then first we will draw one lattice. Okay, and when we will draw one lattice, okay, this one is one lattice, and see, it has total 8 corners and 8 corners attached with 8 atoms. Okay, and see, this one indicated 8 atom, and here word present body. That's why in whole cube, okay, it has one body center. Body center means this one is whole cube body center is present. And how to calculate total number of body center closed pack? Okay, then it has total 2 number. Okay, why? You know, 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8. Clear? Then this one indicated 1. previous लेसन और लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने ओवर किया था. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू स्टार्ट फॉर पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, एंड बिटवीन वन एटम टू अनदर एटम एज लेंथ इज प्रेजेंट. ओके, एज लेंथ डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल a and radius denoted by small r. Okay, and here body center, that's why all atom attached with body center. Okay, and I will show you one figure. See, this one is a figure of BCC. Okay, and here denoted by alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. And A to C, here R, radius are present, here one R, here one R. Okay, total radius R is equal to present, and here age length means distance is present, and that's why you know A is equal to 2R. Clear? And second thing, volume of each unit cell is equal to 4 divided by under root 3R cube. And second thing, we will calculate it. That's why here first point is present. Age length of each unit cell is equal to A. Second point is radius of unit cell is equal to denoted by small r. Third point is volume occupied by atom. Okay, spherical atom formula is same, volume occupied by atom or spherical atom formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? And next one is relationship between edge length and radius. Relationship between edge length and radius. Then A, okay, small a and r relationship. That's why here A is equal to 4 upon under root 3. Okay, 4 upon under root 3 r. Clear? And this one is edge length and r relationship. Next one is in BCC total number of atom is 2. Clear? And now this all value put in our formula of packing efficiency. That's why we will start, okay, and we will start packing efficiency of BCC. Now this all value put in our formula. That's why packing efficiency of BCC is equal to volume occupied by atom divided by volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Okay, volume occupied by atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. But here one word is added. Which word? Volume occupied by 2 atom. Why 2 atom? Because for BCC total number of atom is equal to 2. That's why here one word is added. And that's why 2 multiply by formula is for spherical atom 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of unit cell, this one is a cube, multiply by 100. Clear? And next 2 multiply by 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube is equal to, here one value is present, relationship between a and r for BCC. That's why here 4 r divided by under root 3 raised to whole cube. Clear? And that's why here 4 2s are 8 pi r cube divided by, this one is present or divided by 3, that's why 3 multiply by 4r raised to whole cube. That's why total 4r and 4r, 3 times 4r are present. And divide go in upper side. That's why this root 3 raised to cube, that's why multiply total 3 times. Okay, you can write directly also, but this one is easy for you. That's why please go step by step. Okay, and now r cube means total r is to 3. That's why 1r, 2r and 3r easily cancel out. Clear? And here 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 is equal to 3, you know. That's why this root 3 and divide by 3 easily cancel out. That's why upper side only left. See, pi. Okay, here multiply by 100, here multiply by 100. Why? Because this one is a packing efficiency, that's why. Please can't forget multiply by 100%, because when you cannot write 100, then this one denoted packing fraction for BCC, FCC and simple cubic cell. And pi, here only 1, root 3 is left. And divide by 2. And here 1, 4. That's why 4 2s are 8. Multiply by 100%. And here pi is equal to, we will use 3.14 value, multiply by root 3, divide by 8, multiply by 100. Clear? And now you calculated, then easily got 68% value. Okay, 68% value for BCC. This one is a packing efficiency. But suppose for BCC, how many voids are present? Okay, then how to calculate it? 100 minus, when we will calculate packing efficiency and we got 68%, that's why 100 minus 68, then easily form, okay, 32. Clear? This one indicated for BCC how many voids are present, and voids means between them gap is present. Okay, this one is packing efficiency of BCC. Now we will start packing efficiency for FCC. FCC means face center cubic closed pack. This one is a last topic for packing efficiency. Total 3 types. Okay, SC means simple, then body center denoted by BCC, then after FCC. Please always remember packing efficiency of BCC, FCC and simple cube, because this one present in MCQ questions. Okay, in your board exam. Now, packing efficiency of FCC. Clear? That's why first of all I will draw one lattice. ये सभी के लिए कॉमन ही है. ओके, दिस फिगर इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल lattice. And 8 corner attached with 8 atom, and here face center. Okay, face center word is present, means all side central atom is present, and here also indicated 2 center atom, and we already studied in previous lesson, and total how many number of atom is present in FCC, you know friends, 4. Okay, and now between one atom to second atom distance is present and denoted by A. This one indicated edge length, and radius denoted by R. That's why our first point is edge length of FCC is equal to denoted by A, either of unit cell. You can write also, okay, of unit cell. Next one is radius of each unit cell is equal to denoted by R. Third step is spherical atom or volume occupied by atom, okay. This one, or it has formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next one is relationship between edge length A and radius R, okay. Then A is equal to 4r by under root 2, and that's why here volume occupied by atom, okay, and here FCC word present, that's why 4 multiply by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? And second thing, volume of unit cell. This one also indicated volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell is equal to A cube. Why A cube? Because its length, width and breadth, okay, height, these all are multiplied by, that's why A multiplied by A multiplied by A and form A cube. And A cube is equal to 4r by under root 2 raised to whole cube. This all value putting in equation of packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by atom. Here one were also added for 4 atom, that's why 4 multiply by, why? Because FCC were present, that's why 4 by 3 pi r cube. Divide by volume of unit cell. A cube is equal to 4r divided by under root 2 raised to whole cube. Percentage, that's why multiply by 100. And here 4 fours are 16, okay, 4 fours are 16 and 16 multiply by pi r cube. Divide by 3, multiply by total 4r and 4r, and divide, go upper side or move upper side, that's why multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2 and multiply by 100 percentage. R cube, that's why 1r, second r, third r, easily cancel out. Here 2 into root 2 indicated 2, that's why 2 2s are 4, okay. Second thing, 2 8s are 16, clear? Either you can also write 4 2s are 8. Next one is 8. Here 3 is left, that's why 8 pi multiply by root 2 divide by 3 and multiply by 100 percentage. Clear? Then you got 74 percentage. Second thing, how many watts are present? Then 100 minus 74, that's why here you can also write please pi value is 3.14, that's why 3.14, okay, 3.14 Here also 4 2s are 8, 4, okay, 2 2s are 4. Sorry, I forgot कि ये इजीली कैंसिल हो सकता है. दैट्स वाई हियर वैल्यू कौन सी बचेगी, पाई मल्टीप्लाई बाय √2 एंड डिवाइड बाय 3 2s are 6. Clear? And that's why here easily formation of 74% and 100 minus 74, and how many volts are present, total 26%. Clear? Thank you, and we will meet again in next lecture or next topic. Okay.